Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install .NET Framework 3.5 on your Windows computer, and if you're receiving this error which says .NET Framework 3.5 feature couldn't be installed, error code is 0x800F0805. So if you're receiving this error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to update Windows to the latest version. Now for this, go to Windows settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, and then click on Check for Update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. Make sure that you install all the update over here and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Now the next step is to run SFC or DISM command. Now for this, type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator and then copy the first command. The command is provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. And once this scan is 100% complete, then run the second scan. So make sure this is 100% complete and then you can copy the second command and paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Now the next step is to update Windows using, now if you have Windows 10, then you can use Windows 10 Update Assistant. Now if you have Windows 11, you can use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So for Windows 11 users, all the links are provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Now for Windows 11 users, you can open this link. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and if there is any update over here, you will see install or update option. In my case, it's already up to date, so update it using Windows 11 Installation Assistant, and then once that is done, restart your computer and then you can check. Now if you have Windows 10, you can open this link. The link is provided in the video description, and then it will take you to again Microsoft website. Here you can see update assistant, and then you can click on update now and then run this exe file. Again, it will click on yes to allow. It will check for update. If there is any update, it will show you update or install option. I have Windows 11, so that's why you see this. So if there is any update over here, let the update complete and then restart your computer. Restart is a must after this, and then you can check. Now the next step is to update Windows using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can update your Windows using media creation tool.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then run the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. and here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again it will check for update. Now before the installation you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install .NET Framework 3.5 successfully, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.